Hello friends! In the process of learning carving with CNC, I decided that the time has come to create full chess. In today's video, I will show you the chessboard. The baseboard is a walnut plywood. I'm carving pockets for the lighter pieces. This took a lot of machine time. The work is split into two batches, rough with bigger router bit and fine with tiny V bit. In the end, I had to manually fine cut all the sprinters and sharp edges with a scalpel. All the light pieces are cut from poplar plywood. This board was 4 mm thick, but the pocket in the walnut was just a fraction of a millimeter. Thus, I had to send this poplar to the requested width of roughly 0.75 mm. Many of the pieces broke due to imperfections in the wood structure, so I had to cut them multiple times. Before the actual gluing, I had to manually fine shape all the details, sharp edges. Then I glued all the pieces one by one. Basically, each step in the process of this creation was long and required lots of manual labor. Here you can see the finalization of all the small details within numbers and letters. Then I did another fine sanding followed by sprayed varnish. At the end I painted a thicker layer of varnish with a roller. My design process was simple. I drew everything in Inkscape, imported it as an SVG into easel, which I used to generate G-code. Here are all the small parts within letters and numbers. Here is the final board and its third predecessor with laser cut veneer, which I failed to construct precise enough. Thanks for watching.